After the bureaucratic week in the first month, Kate got more into the rhythm of Tokyo life. First, she was afraid to work with Kabukicho, the red light district, because of the people who were scouting for women for adult videos, brothels, and house clubs. But after a while, she got even on video calls with her friends in the country, where she was showcasing the neon lights to her folks. She also got good friends with her classmates. However, something was still missing. It was interaction with the natives. On a hot summer day, a student organization organized an international exchange party at Kate's language school. As it was so fun to Kate, she exchanged online addresses with those Japanese staff students in order to keep in touch. So the next weekend, Kate was invited to a party in Shinjuku with other 100 Japanese students and foreigners. Without even realizing, she got into it and became a regular customer. So one time at a party, there was staff from Yokohama. As Kate really loved Yokohama, she also went there, and before becoming a regular, she got invited by the staff member. As Kate was cool and pretty fluent in Japanese, to become one of the staff members in Yokohama. Comment for part 8.